Are we really doing potato salad again?
Yes.
Roll the intro. Woo! Welcome back, my keto friends. What is up? You know exactly who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Susan Dice. She didn't forget this time. Welcome back to another video.
Yeah.
If this is your first time, shh. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle, do me a favor, click the red subscribe button right below the video and then move over to the left a little bit. There's a little bell. Click the bell, then click the word all, so you will get all notifications when we upload great keto content on this channel. And as I mentioned before, we are in the middle, or we're continuing our series of salads.
I think we're wrapping up.
I don't know how many we've done. Susan has a special way of saying this. Go ahead, Susan, take it away.
Look, I just told you.
We're doing another series in our salad series.
Episode in our salad series. You keep, how many times have you cut this? Okay, go.
Let me try. We're doing another episode in our salad series.
Yay!
The Summer of Love, as we like to call it here on the Keto Friend channel.
The Summer of Salad.
Now listen, here's the deal.
SOS.
Here's the deal. Here's the deal. Oh, good one. Summer of Salad, not Summer of Sam, because that was bad. Nobody got that. He was a murderer. Anyway.
That was Son of Sam.
What did I say?
Summer of Sam.
Well, it was the Summer of Sam. Son of Sam was the summer, right? Somebody help me out with that.
Google. Wait,
okay.
Hold up.
Oh, I digress all the way back to the bedroom. Anyway, we've done potato salad, Fauxtato salad, and we used our special
Cauliflower.
Is it special? Well, it's special because we've used the crap out of it, okay? This time, guess what we're doing? This is a new improved Fauxtato salad. This time we're using radishes. Who knew? Now, the reason I think this is going to be new and improved, I think the radish is going to have better consistency when you put it in your mouth and eat it like a potato.
We used radishes before, not doing a video yet, but we used radishes for hash browns.
Yes.
And it turned out really tasty.
We didn't do a video on that?
Nope.
We should. Hash browns, they tasted like hash browns. Anyway, so we said, you know what? Let's update the Fauxtato salad. Why not have a lot in your, I knew what I wanted to say right there. In your holster? No, your tool belt. That's what I'll say. Why not have a lot of Fauxtatos in your tool belt to break out at any time, whether it's cauliflower or radishes.
Or jicama.
Jicama? That's next.
No, I'm good.
Anyway, we're going to show you how to make another Fauxtato salad using radishes right now.
Okay, and for our red Fauxtato salad today, we're going to use 1 package of radishes. I'm going to chop these up and boil them for 10 minutes. I'm not going to show that on the video. Half of a Vidalia onion, 1/2 cup of mayo, 2 boiled eggs, and 2 tablespoons of dill relish.
Okay, one day I'm going to teach Susan how to hold this up to the camera and walk back. It's a special skill.
I don't want this.
YouTubers know how to do it. Well, you just saw how we made this. Guess what? We chilled it.
But because
it's chilled, okay? It's best served chilled.
For some reason, the mayonnaise was really runny, and I knew when I poured it in that it was runny. I knew it was runny, but I went ahead and did it anyway because I was tired and just ready to hurry up and get it done. So we put it in the fridge. We also threw a couple little extra little add-ins.
Oh, this is a little different from the Fauxtato salad with the cauliflower. Try to say that 3 times.
Well, it's different than actually what we did on camera because we added
we didn't add that on camera? It's been 5 days.
No, it hasn't.
I'm just kidding.
We added a little bit of cheese and bacon because we were like, hey, you know that Walmart salad that loaded?
Right.
Let's throw some cheese and bacon in it. So we did that on
So this
camera.
is kind of like new and improved potato salad. It's kind of a loaded potato salad.
Yeah, but it also has eggs and So I'm interested to see how that works. Eggs and pickles. So well, we'll see. Ready?
Oh, wait.
You go first.
Here we go.
Why are you covering? I'm not.
Because I don't want people to see the tongue, the open mouth.
Wow. Well, if you didn't have to open your mouth so big, maybe.
Okay. Let me tell you something. That is an improvement on top of the cauliflower. The radishes taste like the potato salad. You gotta try this, guys. I'm telling you. Give me another bite of it.
It's wow.
And the bacon.
Better than I thought it was gonna be. It kind of looks like a red potato salad. Yeah, this is our red potato salad.
Yeah, you know, what do you call those? Red potatoes?
Yeah.
Wow, from Idaho? No, they're from Irish.
From Mexico. That's pretty good.
Red potatoes from Mexico.
I don't know if I like it as much. Maybe it's because my mayonnaise was janked up. It did thicken in the fridge, but
So the thicker the mayo, the better
I think
consistency
it
of
would have
the...
been, yeah.
Okay.
But it was
I
good.
get that. But I like the texture of the radish better than the cauliflower. I'm just going to be honest with
Which
you.
is surprising to me because you usually, like, when we're having regular potato salad, you like it smushy, like almost like a mashed potato salad.
Yeah, that's if you cook the potatoes very long and you boil them, they're going to get more mushy. And I think you've done that before.
Yeah, and you like it like that. I don't like it like that. I like big chunks of potato.
Big chunks.
So this is kind of like, it's really good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Well, let us know if you make this for your family for this summer. This could end up on your picnic table if you have followed a ketogenic lifestyle.
And it may seem weird because you think radishes are hot and spicy like horseradish or whatever, but it absolutely is not. It's like when you boil it, it takes
It got
all
rid
the
of it.
heat
It got
away.
rid of, it just pulled the spiciness out of it and threw it in the water. I don't know if that happened, but
Maybe.
it sounds science.
Could have drank the water and seen if it was spicy.
Could have, yeah. Anyway, guys, that's the video. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up, grab that subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends that want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle. And for people that don't, and they just want some good dang food, share that with them too. Until next time, remember, keep it radish.
Why?
Radish. Keep it keto radish. All the time.